In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva design via link. So first things you need to do, going on Canva, then you can see I open a design on my PC. You can design and open any design and anything here. So just click on share button. Then as you can know, just going on more option, then you can see this is a lots of option: QR code, copy to clipboard, present and record, send to phone, embed, website. So I click on public view and link. So you need to just copy this link. If at the purpose I am going on another browser, then paste this link, just click on enter. You can see it's going on Canva right now. So you can see this is working right now. Okay, so this is a method you can share your Canva design by link anywhere. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.